Renee. Hey, it's Renee. So, hi everybody, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to be straightening my hair. I don't quarantine, I'm just like, straight hair is what I feel like doing right now. I'm experimenting, so let's get straight to it. So I wash my hair with the Chi shampoo, and then I deep condition it with a protein treatment, and then I'm using the Chi Straight Guard. So I apply this to my hair already. I might add a little bit more, and then I have the spray. So I am doing something a little bit different. I did not blow dry my hair. I let it air dry, and then I'm going to use a hot comb. Then I'm going to flat iron. So I feel like this would probably work best for my hair. Don't know. I'm trying it, so we're going to see how it goes down.
So first,
I'm almost burning myself. Lord have mercy. So first, I want y'all to comment down below. How are you guys doing during this quarantine mess? Like, I don't know. Like, this is like kind of driving me crazy. So I'm going to start off at the ends, and then I'm going to work my way up, and then get my roots. So yes. So that is my goal. I'm hot combing. I'm not blow drying because I feel like blow drying it, you keep running it through your head. Like, I feel like it's too much heat. So why not flat iron it? I'm gonna get my roots one more time. I really gotta get the roots because now I gotta run my hand through it. Plus, it's about time for me to do a trim. I usually straighten my hair every 3 months. So, and it's not all the way straight. The ends are not straight. I'm really not focusing on my ends. I'm just trying to get my roots. Make sure my roots is good. So I'm just running my hands, catching any tangles or whatever if I have any in my hands. So here, because I didn't blow dry it, I did finger detangle. So I don't wanna do too much, you know. But the finger detangle does work well. Like, the comb is not, it's not getting stuck. I'm starting from the end and I'm working my way up to get to where I gotta go, you know. And I'm hoping that it comes out nice, silky, and just plain old nice, I guess. Stop. It's time to like and subscribe to this channel if you want good luck. Bye. So I'm getting the front of my hair. I got a little dry scalp. I just wash my hair and grease it or anything. I might have to grease my scalp. But so I'm gonna hold my head straight and I'm going to mark where my hair stops. Can you see it? Yeah. So my hair stops right here. It actually kind of has a little bit. My hair stops right here. So, and then like if I did this part, I'm not gonna lie, it would surpass it so much. Only because look at this. This side of my hair grows like weed. It grows like weed, honestly. Like it grows like weed. So we're going to measure, if you see behind my ear, we're going to measure that spot because I feel like it's a good point of starting. So we're going to measure that. And that's for my back. And I'm gonna actually write it middle back. Front. I wrote it on it. But anyway, so we're going to do the other side. So make sure I'm not grabbing anything from behind the ear and just grab the front. So I'm gonna pull it down, have you guys see, and I'm gonna mark it. So, yep. So let's do the same thing we did. So the other side, I'm gonna do behind my ear. So this is behind my ear here. And it is way longer. No, this one is actually the same height. Her side is always shorter. So I think because one time I chopped more of the side off when I did used to cut my hair straight and I didn't search and destroy. I just was chopping away and I realized I cut my hair way too much. I sure did. So we did the front. So that was time. So stretch it and then mark it. Mark it at its end. Alright, so it's in between 3. Can you guys see that? I might have to. Alright, do it one more time. And just stretch it so it can be on camera. It wasn't on camera. Good. So that's where my hair stops there. So I figure I'll show a snippet of how I curl my hair because it's all about the flickers. So when I'm curling my hair, right, I take larger pieces. I make sure it's thoroughly detangled because that's what you need to make sure. And then when I'm curling it, that didn't come out right. So when I'm curling it, so I make sure that curl is there, right? The front one is better. So this side, right? I'm taking larger pieces, making sure I can comb through it. And this side, I flip going towards the back. So it can have that curl. So when my hair falls, because this is where my front bang part is. So I flip it like that. I'm actually going to like stay like this, walk around the house like this, let it cool off like this with the curls and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna wrap